So our garage wall door opener does not work. And I've tried to yank this off by squeezing on the sides or pulling on the corners, but just have really struggled to get it open. But what really helped me was just getting the screwdriver in the corners and try and put in some leverage there and from the corners. That actually opens it up nicely. That gives you a bit of enough time to get that open. So these types of wall units take the button batteries. This particular one takes a CR2032, and I managed to gently push the button out of this casing using a flat screwdriver or any kind of device thing that you could put in there to push the battery out. And I've got it out, and I'll be replacing it with one of these ones, so hopefully it'll work. I've taken the battery out, and it says here positive side up, so I'm just going to gently push this into its place. Can't go any further. Just put the case back on. Let's see if it works. Let's take it for a spin.